we are.
Hello.
Ready to go.
Ready to work.
We got the wrong name tags on.
This is just a sample of our competence. If you think this is bad, wait till we really get into action.
Yeah, just fill it up to that.
Whoop.
Whoa,
Oh.
whoa, whoa. Well, keep it going. You got to get 2 balls on there.
But I'll see if I can do better.
Oh my God.
See, I'm very
They're
generous.
going to order from you from now on, not from me. Who had the bad luck to draw me? If you want anything later on, it's on me.
The cone is okay.
You guys want to learn how to help customers?
You bet.
I would love a vanilla cone.
A vanilla cone. Is that all you want today?
That'll do it.
That'll be.
Let's upsell her.
You didn't do anything wrong. It's just taking some time. So if that barks at us a little
I'm
bit,
a
don't
slow
worry.
customer. It's okay.
Thank you. Have you been to Dairy
And
Queen before?
do you want a dip or not dip?
Can I have a triple chocolate brownie?
That is really one of our best items.
In fact, if you don't eat it, we will.
All right, what
I'm gonna
else?
keep it simple and go banana split, please.
Okay, that's.
A double banana split?
Yes, sir.
You're a real man.
All right, what would you like?
I want a Oreo Blizzard small.
Oh, that's one of our most popular. What else can we do?
I want a medium Reese's Blizzard.
Okay.
It's very popular.
Is it?
Yeah, absolutely.
I like that peanut butter.
Extra peanut butter for him.
Okay, so the 3 most important things about training somebody new. Number 1 is definitely patience.
I'll put the hand out for the money and Bill can do this high-tech stuff.
You still got to ask her what she wants for her dipping sauce.
You dip chicken too? Wow, you guys dip a lot of stuff around here.
Number 2, make sure you smile so they should smile. You know, kind of pass the smiles along.
We got it.
3, have a good time and treat a customer like they're somebody that's in your own home.
Whoa! You get 2 free ones for that.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
I like that. I like that.
Thank you.
Much better than the way I did it, I might add.
Yeah, how long ago did you buy Dairy Queen, and what was it that made it look good?
I've known Dairy Queen all my life. Dairy Queen actually started in the 1930s, and
Wow.
yeah, a couple guys worked soft ice cream, and when they were contemplating selling, he actually thought of Berkshire. Who better than some guy that loved the product, and we made a deal, and we've lived happily ever after.
So how did Bill and Warren do today?
Could have done better. Bill was good on the menu board. Warren was good at taking credit. So, but all around, they did all right. I'd hire them.
Hi, welcome to Dairy Queen. Can I take your order?
I'll have a small Oreo Blizzard.
That'll be $3.23. Can you pull forward to the next window? Okay,
Oh, wow.
that is for you.
Good job on this one.
Love to have you here. Thank you.
See you.